Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Deep
Yes.
Water, it's an autobiography written by William O. Douglas. He was born in Maine, Minnesota, and he started his career as a teacher, but later on he switched on legal career, and he became the friend of President D. Roosevelt, then the Prime Minister of President of USA. He became his advisor, he became his friend, and he retired in the year 1975 with a term lasting for 36 years. He remained as a justice, okay, and it is considered as the long service, okay, longest service justice उनको माना जाता है in the history of court. And now this is an autobiographical part, an extract taken from O Man and Mountains, written by William Douglas. In this, he finally described that how he developed a fear for water and how did he overcame it. क्लियर कि कैसे डर पैदा हो गया उनके अंदर और फिर उस डर पर उन्होंने कैसे काबू पाया. हवा गॉट इट बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
So now, when the chapter begins, he says that he just tries to tell the readers about the misadventure that happened with him, and after that misadventure, he developed a fear, a terror in his heart, and whenever he was there in the waters, he used to face that terror. Okay, now that terror, it ruined all his fishing trips, canoeing, boating, everything. So finally, he tries to overcome it, but he appoints an instructor too. But still, he was not confident that he can swim all alone into the waters. So he practiced more and more, and finally, a day came when he swam the island back and forth, and he did not feel terrorized. He did not have any kind of fear. Clear? So he begins with an incident that happened with him, and that was a misadventure of his life. So he says that when I was 10 or to 11 years old, he decided to learn swimming. And there was a pool at YMCA in Yakima that offered this opportunity to swim. Now, Yakima is a place, it's a city, but Yakima River is also there and it is very treacherous. Treacherous means, but a dangerous habit. Okay. So, mother, she did not want this child to go into the waters, and this child should remain away from the water. So, she kept on reminding about the drowning that occurred in Yakima River every now and then, so that he might be eh, scared on listening to such incident. He might be terrorized and he might not go into the waters. है ना, पानी में नहीं जाए, इसलिए उनको डराने के लिए मदर बताती रहती थी every now and then कि ऐसी ऐसी ड्राउनिंग हो गई है ना. People they drown in the Yakima River. It was very dangerous. It's really very dangerous. Okay. लेकिन क्या हुआ कि he says that though river was dangerous but the pool was safe. Okay, and he decided to learn swimming to go to a YMCA pool, swimming pool. So now this pool, it was 2 or 3 feet deep at the shallow end in the beginning, and then it was up to 9 feet deep. था वो, उससे ज़्यादा deep नहीं था. So he got a pair of water wings. Here in India, we just put a tube around a waist, okay, to learn swimming. और वहां पर बाहर क्या होता है, water wings पहने जाते हैं. So even he brought water wings and he went to the pool. Now he says that William Douglas, 10 or 11 years old child, and he was very thin, very lean, okay. So he did not like to go into the swimming pool with the swimming shorts, okay, in a swimming shorts. But anyhow, he did not have any other option. He subdues his pride and he just enters the swimming pool, okay, started going into the swimming pool. समझ में आ गया बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Mom.
आया समझ
Yes,
में? वो
ma'am.
इंसिडेंट बताते हैं जब वो 10 या
Yes,
11
ma'am.
ईयर्स के थे और स्विमिंग पूल में जाना चाहते थे वो. ओके, स्विमिंग सीखने के लिए YMCA के स्विमिंग पूल में जो याकिमा में था, लेकिन मदर नहीं चाहती थी वो वाटर्स में जाए क्योंकि याकिमा रिवर डेंजरस था। तो मदर एवरी नाउ एंड देन शी यूज्ड टू रिमाइंड हिम ऑफ द फ्रेश ड्राउनिंग दैट टुक प्लेस, है ना, जो ऐसे किस्से होते थे रोज, कोई डूब जाता था पानी में, वो बताती रहती थी। लेकिन वो कहता है कि रिवर में तो जा नहीं रहे थे बट पूल में जा रहे थे, तो पूल वॉज क्वाइट सेफ। बिगनिंग में 2 या 3 फीट वो था डीप, और बाद में 9 फीट तक डीप था, उसके बाद कोई डीपनेस नहीं थी। एंड ही सेज सो आई डिसाइडेड एंड व्हेन आई वेंट देयर, उससे पहले मैंने अपने वाटर विंग्स वगैरह खरीद लिए। ओके, लेकिन मुझे नहीं, मतलब शॉर्ट्स में जाना, शॉर्ट्स जो पहने जाते हैं स्विमिंग पूल में, दैट आई डिड नॉट लाइक। क्यों? क्योंकि आई वाज वेरी थिन, बट ही डिड नॉट हैव एनी अदर ऑप्शन एंड ही हैड टू गो इन दैट। क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now read the second para so that I summarize it. Hurry up. Who will read fast? Nobody is good at reading. Class 12th. Renuka, Mohit, Payal, Manisha, Payal Nath, Muskan, all are poor. यशस्वी, प्रीवी गहलोत, अवंतिका, प्रिया, किसी को नहीं पढ़ना आता है? रीडिंग नहीं आती किसी को? हाँ, पायल नाथ तो बोलेगी, बाकी मनीषा
मैम
तुम्हें भी
आती।
नहीं आती है? मुझे तो लग रहा है नहीं आती, बिकॉज nobody is willing to read. Come on, start reading. Hurry up.
From the beginning, however, I had an aversion to the
हाँ, a
water
little
when I
bit
was
louder
in it.
बेटा, थोड़ा सा जोर से पढ़ो, है ना? पढ़ो।
This started when I was 3 or 4 years old, and father took me to the beach in California. He and I stood together in the surf. I hung on to him, yet the waves knocked me down and swept over me. I was buried in water. My breath was gone. I was frightened. Father laughed, but there was terror in my heart at the overpowering force of the waves.
Yes. Now see, he started to learn, he means he decided to learn swimming when he was 10 or 11 years old, and a misadventure happened with him that created a terror in his heart. Okay, now what happened ki since the beginning, dhyan dena, okay, don't get confused. William Douglas had an aversion, had a disliking for water, okay, a hatred for water. And then he tells why in the second para, why he had this aversion for water. He says that when he was 3 or 4 years old, he went with his father to the beach in California. And he says that my father and me, we both were standing there at the beach in the surf. Surf means the waves were coming. And as the wave would come, I used to hang on to my father. Means chota bachcha tha, hardly 3 to 4 years old, William Douglas, and the waves, एक तीन चार बच्चे के लिए बड़ी पावरफुल होती हैं, right? So he says that I just hung on to my father, but still the waves, knocked me down. They pushed me down and I got buried into the water. I felt as if I was drowned into the water. And he says, when I was buried into the water, my breath was gone. I was not able to breathe properly, right? And this little child, being a very little child of hardly 3 to 4 years old, William Douglas became very frightened. See, you might have seen if you give bath to a small child, okay, और फटाफट उस पर आप पानी डालते हो तो बच्चा क्या होता है, ब्रेथलेस हो जाता है ना, थोड़ा घबरा जाता है, ब्रेथलेस हो जाता है, right? So similarly, even this happened. He was a small child, beta, hardly 3 to 4 years old, and he just went with his father. Okay, at the beach, he was standing there on the beach in California. The waves were coming, and those waves, they just they hit little William Douglas, knocked him down into the water. He got buried into the water. It seemed to him, okay, because the waves, it went above him, उसके ऊपर से जाती, छोटा सा बच्चा था 3-4 साल का, तो उसके ऊपर से जाती, राइट. एंड so what happened ki he was knocked down by the waves, he got buried into the water, and he became breathless. His breath was gone. Since then, a fear, a terror developed in his heart. है ना, कि जो वेव्स थी काफी फोर्सफुल हैं, तो ये देखकर, ये सोचकर एक टेरर पैदा हो गया, और जब से एक डिसलाइकिंग पैदा हो गई थी, है ना, राइट. आफ्टर दैट व्हेन ही वाज 10 or 11 years old, then he decided to learn swimming. Clear or not? Both the paras are different. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next para.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now again to the YMCA swimming pool he comes back. What happens? Read out what happened.
Ma'am, may I?
You read, Rena.
My introduction to the YMCA swimming pool revived unpleasant memories and stirred childish fear. But in a little while, I gathered confidence. I paddled with my new water wings, watching the other boys and trying to learn by aping them. I did this 2 or 3 times on different days and was just beginning to feel at ease in the water when the misadventure happened.
Okay. So now he says my introduction to the YMCA swimming pool, it revived back. Yani, as I went to YMCA swimming pool, it brought back all the unpleasant memories. Okay, unpleasant memories, and it stirred childish fears again. It reminded, stirred means came back. It reminded me of the childish fears. Which childish fears? When he was 3 or 4 years old, remember, beta, and he was knocked down by the waves. Okay, तो कहते हैं वो सारी अनप्लेजेंट मेमोरीज वो रिवाइव हो जाती हैं, मेरा चाइल्डिश फियर जो है वापस लौट के आ जाता है. बट इन अ लिटिल व्हाइल आई गैदर्ड कॉन्फिडेंस. बट एनी हाउ ही सेज, आफ्टर सम टाइम व्हेन आई वाज देयर ऑन द YMCA swimming pool, I just gathered confidence. Though unpleasant memories, it came back. Though the incident that happened with him when he was 3 or 4 years old, the fear that developed, a disliking, it came back. But anyhow, he overcomes all this and he gathered confidence. And then he just put on his new water wings, and he went into the swimming pool. He watched the other boys, how they were swimming, and he tried to ape them, means he tried to copy them. Okay. And this he did 2 or 3 times on different days. Every day he used to go to the swimming pool. He went into the swimming pool by using the water wings. He used to go into the swimming pool. And while swimming, he did not swim on his own, as he hardly knew swimming. So वो क्या करता था? He used to look at other boys who were swimming and he tried to copy them. And what happened? उनको देख देख के he started learning swimming and just beginning to feel at ease in the water when this misadventure happened. और बड़ा easy feel करने ही जा रहा था. Okay, he was feeling relaxed into the water, feeling very easy. Why? Because he had started learning swimming. Maybe he learned swimming, and as he was about to relax, a misadventure it happened with him that impacted his life for a long time. Yes, next para, beta, Rena. Hurry up, it's going to be time.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I went to the pool when no one else was there. The place was quiet, the water was still, and the tiled bottom was a white and clean as a bathtub. I was timid about going in alone, so I sat on the side of the pool to wait for others.
Yeah, so now this adventure, the day this misadventure happened, he says that I went to the pool, and on that particular day when he went to the pool, nobody was there. So the place was very quiet. Nobody was there, means nobody was swimming into the swimming pool also. So even the water was still, it was not moving, and the bottom, that was the bottom of the swimming pool, you know, the tiled bottom, है ना, tiles लगी हुई थी, the tiled bottom of the swimming pool, it was clearly visible, it clearly could be seen. Okay, जैसे bathtub में the water is still and even the bottom is very clearly visible. Similarly, swimming pool का जो bottom था, it was clearly visible. And now he says that as nobody was there, so he did not become so much of confident that he could swim all alone. So he says nobody was there at the swimming pool. So even I was timid, you know, I was afraid, I was scared. I feared to go all alone into the swimming pool. So I just sat on the side of the swimming pool and I just waited for others to come. When others will come, I'll just swim into the pool. Yes, beta.
I had I had not been there long when in came a big
Bruiser.
bullsher of a boy bluster of a boy, probably 18 years old. He had thick hair on his chest. He was a beautiful physical specimen with legs and
Specimen, yes.
arms. And
That showed
yes, ma'am. Legs
rippling
that
muscles. He
showed
yelled,
rimply muscles.
"Hi, skinny, how would you like to be dubbed?"
He
Okay. Now he says that I had been sitting then and there at the swimming pool and waiting for others to come. So see, समय what happens? A big bruiser of a boy, you know, a strong boy, a muscular boy. You know, he came there. He was probably 18 years of age, 18 साल के लगभग था. And this boy, you know, he had thick hair on his chest, a beautiful example of physical specimen, you know, बहुत बढ़िया muscular body, you know, humans having a muscular body उस तरह का था. He was a young boy having a good muscular strong body, you know, muscles, you know, it could be seen, rippling muscles could be seen. And when he came there, I was sitting there. William Douglas was hardly 10 or 11 years old, very, very thin. So he came and he just teased him. He called him by the name Skinny. Skinny, you know, we call who's very thin. हम कहते हैं ना जो बहुत दुबला पतला होता है उसको skinny कहते हैं बहुत कि hi skinny means और सूखा. Or how would you like to be ducked in, है ना, कि how would you like if I duck you, if I put you into the water. समझ गए, आके उसको छेड़ा. And this boy, you know, even this big boy, he did not know कि this little child, okay, he's not good at swimming. He thought he might be good at swimming, so he came. He just joked with him, right? He just took him with his hand and he says, yes, how would you like to be put into the water? कैसा हो तुम्हें पानी में डाल दूं? और बिना सोचे समझे he threw William Douglas into the swimming pool. समझ में आया?
yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
stop
ma'am.
here. Stop here only.
Yes,
We'll
ma'am.
continue. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am.
ma'am.
Goodbye.